children. Good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. Now in today's session I am going to discuss all the answers of exam which we have conducted recently on time and work. Those who have not listened this topic also, if you listen these 25 questions and if you understood these topics perfectly, these questions, you can become perfect in the time and work. Okay. I think all of you are eagerly waiting for these answers. We shall start now without any late. First question. See here, I am reading first question. I am zooming it, wait. What is there here? First question, friends. If 10 men can complete a work in 12 days, in how many days 18 men can complete the same work? If you see this, are you remembering any formula? See, 10 men can complete in 12 days they are giving, and 18 men can complete in how many days they are giving. If men and days are there, we are having one formula. What is this? Did you remember? See, I am writing here what is that formula. Men they have given, so m I am writing as m means what? Men I am writing m1 I am writing here. Second one, days they have given d1 I am writing here. So what is the formula, friends? m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Okay, I am writing here. You see, this is the formula. m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Here now substitute the values. This is our formula. Remember, m means what? Men. D means days. Here m1, how many are there? 10 are there. First step, 10 into d1, how many are there, friends? 12. 10 men can do in 12 days they have given, so that is equal to m2. In second step, how many men are there? 18 into d2. Do we know? No, we don't know the value of d2. They are asking us to find us this only, d2. So what will be the answer? d2 equal to 10 into 12 divided by 18. Okay, do this simplification. Here I am not doing, okay, it will take much time. If you do simplification, what you will get answer means 6 2 by 3 days. That is the answer. So where it is, B option is our answer. Okay, now moving to the second problem. This is first one. Now second one, see friends, or else I will erase it. Why? Because it will take much space. This is the first solution. You can take a screenshot. Now moving to the second question. See here, I am reading the question. 2 men and 3 boys can do a work in 10 days. 3 men and 2 boys can do the work in 8 days. In how many days 2 men and 1 boy can do the same work? Here 3 they have given. Okay, if you write in equation form, each one we shall write. First one, generally or means you should write plus, and means into, you know that. So here they have given us and. So 2 men and 3 boys. So I am writing here, or else I will type, wait. Okay, see here friends, now I am writing the equations. M means men. Okay, 2 men and 3 boys, right? 2 men and 3 boys can do the work in how many days? It's 10 days I am writing. Next step, what they have given, friends? 3 men and 2 boys can do the work in how many days? 8 days. So I am writing here 8 days. One more step they have given us, right? Okay, now think this one. 2 men and what they have given for us? 1 boy is equal to how much they are asking us. This we need to find out, right? Now assume this as equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is first equation. This is second equation and this one is the third equation you assume. Okay. How you will solve this problem means in the before sum I have given no what equation here I have written in first sum m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. By using the same formula you can solve this here easily. Okay. I will tell you the process, you can solve it. Okay, whole I can't write here because it takes much space. That much space is not there here. m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Listen how to solve this process I am saying. By using this formula we can do first, second, third equations we have formed no, according to the data given in that. So m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. By using this both first equation and second equation you do this one. How in first equation how you will write m1 d1 means here how many are there totally? 2 men, or else I will type it, wait. Now see here I am forming the equation m1 d1 equal to m2 d2 I wrote, right? So right now here 2m, yes or no, plus boys how many are there? 3 boys, okay, into, right here into, because m1 into d1 no, total how many men are there? 2 men plus 3 boys into d, sorry, days they have given for us no, into days how many they have given in the first equation? 10 days. That is equal to what friends? Now m1 d1 completed. From the second equation write m2 d2. What is there in m2 d2? 3 men plus how many boys? Plus 2 boys into days are how many? 8. Yes or no? Now simplify this equation. If you simplify this equation, what you'll get means friends, 7 boys is equal to 2 men you will get. Okay. What you'll get if you solve this first equation and second equation by using the formula m1 d1 equal to m2 d2, finally you will get the 7 boys equal to 2m. Now what you should do means you should use this 7 boys equal to 2m in the equations 1 and 3. Again how I told m1 d1 equal to m2 d2, similarly you should write in the first equation and third equation. Now from first and second equation I wrote m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Similarly you do from first and third equation m1 d1 equal to m3 d3. Okay, and there wherever you observe there 2m, you can write there 7 boys. Why? Because by solving this equation we got that 7 boys equal to 2 men no. So similarly by solving 1 and 3 equation by using m1 d1 equal to m3 d3, wherever you find the value 2m you substitute there 7b, then you will get the answer finally. Okay. Finally what answer you will get means 12.5 days you will get friends. That is which option? A option is our answer. Okay, here no place is there because I can, so that I can't do here. This is the process. From first and second equation if you solve using m1 d1 equal to m2 d2, you will get this final equation like 7 boys equal to 2m. Then similarly solve 1 and 3 equations by using same formula m1 d1 equal to m3 d3. Then substitute this value 2 men equal to 7 boys or 7 boys equal to 2m. Anything. In both anything you can substitute. Then finally you will get the answer, that is what? 12.5 days friends. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Third question. I am rubbing this. Try to do third question friends. Now see here third question what is there here. 3 men or 4 women can do a piece of work in 43 days. Means what? 3 men or 4 women. Either 3 men or 4 women can do a piece of work in how many days? 43 days. In how many days 7 men and 5 women can do the same work? This is very easiest problem. See how to solve this I will say. This is important problem also. In this problem if you observe here, first what is there? 3 men or 4 women. Next step what is there? 7 men and 5 women. When any time if you get one is or and other one is and, what you should do means I will say. See how what you will do here, 3 men or 4 women. I told for you what, if or means you should write plus and means into. If you keep all those aside also, see I am writing here 3 men and 4 women in 43 days they wrote, they told, right? So what we should write here? 3 men or means I am writing plus 4 women equal to how many days they told friends? 43 days. Okay. Next, instead of that shall I write as 1 here? Sorry, here women, no, I wrote M. 3 men or 4 women. This is first equation, so there I am writing as 1. From the second equation you see 7 men and 5 women. Second time they are giving as and. First time they have given or. 7 men. So I am writing here 2. And means into. This is into. Okay. Into 5 women. W2. Why? Because second equation is equal to how many days are they are asking. If they ask this type of question, one shortcut I will say you, within 1 minute this answer will be finished. How means these are men, total number of men, either men or women, anybody we don't know, but the persons how many are working. Right side what they have given in how many days they are working. Day 1 they have given D1, but D2 they have not given, means regarding these persons they have not given. So what you should do means, first this D1 data is there, no, how many days you write down in the numerator. By, in the numerator you write the days, D1 by, here what you should write means, here M2 you should write first. Don't write this one. Here days we don't know. We need to find days only. No, second one equation, that is D2 we need to find. They are asking us. D2 is equal to first one days 43 by, here how many men are there in the second equation? Write second equation first. Second by first you should write. 7 by, how many men are there friends? 3. Plus men are completed. Now we shall move to women. This is plus. Okay, remember. Once again I am writing it. This is plus. Okay, plus here what is there? 5 by 4. Okay, this is our answer. We have formed the equation. Now try to simplify it. You will get finally answer is what? 12 days. This is our answer. Now this only you try to form the equation. If I form the equation, here D2 equal to 43 is what? How many days? D1 by, here 7 is what? M2. Okay, D1 by whole divided by, D1 whole divided by, here 7 is what? M2 by 3 is what? M1 plus here women's, 5 is women 2, 4 is women 1. So you should write D1, that is whole D1 days by whole divided by, here men M2 7 by 3 plus, here plus you remember that 5 by 4. You will get the answer finally as 12. If you get any problem in this way, in one step or another step and, you can do simply like this. Very easiest method. Which days they have given, first you write in the numerator, divided by second one men by first one men, that is 7 by 3 plus second one woman by first one woman. If you simplify the answer, you will get the answer. Next one, fourth question. Moving to the fourth question friends. Okay, see now here what is the question. I am reading the question. A is twice as good workman as B and together they can finish a piece of work in 18 days. In how many days will A alone finish the work? Means what? I told for you. some conditions in efficiency problem, when efficiency is there, more time is there, as good time, these all conditions, 5 conditions I have given you in previous class. A is twice as good workman as B means what? A is equal to twice B, that is equal to nothing but A equal to 2B. So can I write, if I take here A is to B in the ratio, if I take A as X, what will B become? 2X. Yes or no? A is twice as B, I told. If A is X, what will B become, friends? 2X. Then what they are asking next, what they have given, together they can finish a piece of work in 18 days. Then write that also here. A plus B equal to 1 by 18 days. Now what they are asking us, friends, in how many days will A alone finish the work? A alone means that is what? X. X, how many days they are asking. So how to do? Here together they have given. They are asking us alone A. Now substitute these values, what we have got. A means what? 1 by X. Yes or no? Plus B means what, friends? 1 by 2X equal to 1 by 18. Now simplify this, you will get the value of X. X is only nothing but what? A. What is our A? Finally we will get the answer. You simplify this, X you will get as 27 days. We want X only, no. X is how much? 27 days. Here X is means what? A. So our answer is what? A, that is 27 days. If they asked B means you should do what? 2 into X is 27. So 2 27 the 54 days will be answer. Here they are asking us A. See here, friends, I am not solving each and every step because in many classes I have told you already. Here I am just giving you hint how to do the process. If any formula is there, I am telling for you, you can do it. Okay, because this is test. So understood this problem. A is twice as good workman as B, they have given. Twice means 2 times, thrice means 3 times. You know that. Here I wrote A is to B in the ratio. So if we assume A as X, B is twice, no, that's why B will be 2X. Together work is A plus B, 1 by 18 days they have given. So substitute these values of X and 2X here. That is 1 by X plus 1 by 2X equal to 1 by 18. Finally we will get the value of X as what? 27 days. We also need X value only. That is X means what? A value. That's why answer is what? 27 days. Okay. Now moving to the 5th question, friends. I am rubbing this one. Okay. See here I am reading 5th question. A can complete a piece of work in 9 days and B in 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, in how many days the work would be finished if A begins the work? In the previous classes, if the question came based on the alternative days, for that also I have given one shortcut. Did you remember? For alternate days, this shortcut is what? For alternate days. ALT I am writing, that means alternate days. How to solve it? Say A they have given in how many days? First write that one, 9 days. Yes or no? Next, B they have given in how many days, friends? 12 days. Whenever they have given alternate model, first what you should do means you should do the LCM of the given both numbers. Do the LCM of 9 and 12. What you will get means LCM is what? 36 you will get. Do LCM if you want. 9 and 12 LCM will be 36. Okay. See, I am writing here down. A is 9 days. B is 12 days. I am writing here again. This is 9. LCM is what? 36. So here after getting the LCM 9 and 12 LCM is 36. Down what you should do means with 9 if you multiply with which number you will get 36 you should write. 9 into dash equal to 36. What is the answer? 4. 9 4s are 36. So write that here. 9 4s are 36. So I wrote here. Next with 12 what number if you multiply you will get 36? 3. 12 3s are 36. Okay. After getting this, what you should do, I told you should add these sums, not 9 plus 12. Now newly after getting LCM we multiplied with numbers. No, that one you should add. Now add 4 plus 3 is what, friends? 7. Yes or no? 4 plus 3 is what? 7. Now after getting 7, what you should do means, with 7, here LCM is 36. With what number if you multiply we are getting 36, you should see. If you are not getting that exact that number, nearest number you should write. So 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. So 7 5 is 35 is nearest. 7 6 42 is going much longer. So I am writing as 7 5 za. Remember, first I have added to this nearest numbers. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Next we should check with what number it is multiplying to near. So 7 5 za is 35 right here. After writing 7 5 za 35, how much is left, friends? 1 is left. That is remaining part. Okay, 1 is what? R. I am writing REM. REM is what? This is remaining, because 7 5 are 35 I have multiplied. Next one is left. Again we should do 1 for this 5. What we should do means, we should multiply into how many numbers are there. Here A and B 2 are there, so I am writing 2. If 3 are there, here you should write, instead of 2 A, B, C, 3 are there means 5 into 3 you should write. So what is the value of 5 into 2, friends? 10. Okay, understood till here? Again I am saying, they have given A in 9 days, B in 12 days. Whenever they give alternate model, first do the LCM of the given two numbers. 9 12 LCM is what? 36. After getting the LCM, first what you should do means, here A value is 9, LCM is 36. With what number if we multiply we are getting that 36, you should see. 9 4s are 36. So I wrote here 4. 12 into how much is 36? 3. After, now here near 9 we got 4, here 12 we got 3. These new numbers we should consider now. Now add this one, 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is what, friends? 7. After getting this 7, what you should do means, with 7 with what number if I multiply and getting the LCM we should see. 7 5 is 35, I wrote here 5 and 1 is left, I wrote here 1 as the remaining. How we got this 2 means, since 2 members are there A and B, I wrote 5 into 2. That is 10 days. What is this 10 days means? Together work they have done. Okay, 1 is the remaining work. Now they are asking if A starts work or A finish the work or B finish the work, we shall see. Sorry, this one. A begins the work or B begins the work, we should see. They have given A begins the work. Now we shall do the answer. So what is the answer? If A begins the work, first is 10 days. Yes or no? This is togetherly they will do. So 10 I should write commonly every time. 10 plus A is starting, no? So we should consider the A. How many parts are remained, friends? One part is remained. But A can do how much part of work per day? 4 parts she can do. But only left is how much? 1 part. So write here 10 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to nothing but 10 1 by 4 days is our answer. Okay, understood. A equal to 10 days is common here. From here we got plus remaining is what? One part is remain. A part is how much is there? 4. So 10 plus 1 by 4 equal to 10 1 by 4 days is our answer. This is the A option. Yes or no? Okay, suppose here instead of 1, if remain 3 parts is there means what you'll write? 3 by 4. If 4 parts are there means here 4 parts are there and it can also do 4 parts on a day. So you should write there 1 part. Okay. Next one. I am zooming it, moving to the 6th question. Here what is there, friends? I am reading the question. A can do a work in 10 days and that of B in 15 days. B starts the work alone, but after 3 days he left the work and A joined the work. in how many days will the total work will be finished? These questions will be very interesting. Now if you form the equation properly enough, you will get the answer. This type of questions are very important. Many you will get. You read the data carefully. First one equation I will say. According to that you should form the equation. See, first A can do the piece of work in 10 days, B in 15 days. So total here how many persons are there? 2 are there. That time what you should do means in the denominator, first one is I am writing about A. A can do in 10 days, no, by 10 you write, plus B in 15 days, right, that is equal to 1. Till here in any question same way you should do the equation. Means A if they gave in 30 days you write here near A 30. If B they have given 35 you write here 35. That is equal to 1 whole work. After this you see what they have given in the question. A can do in 10 days I wrote here 10. B in 15 days near B I wrote here 15. This is A. This is B. Remember friends. Next step we shall see. Here the equation forming should be proper. B starts the work alone, but after 3 days he left the work and A joined the work. In how many days will the total work be finished? Means what? Initially who is starting the work, A or B? B. B starts the work alone, but after 3 days he left the work. Means what is the meaning? B started the work itself, but only 3 days he have done and he left the work. So can I write near B 3? Why? Because 3 days he has done work and later he went off. Again he has not come. So we should leave off B. But 3 days he has done work. So near B I have wrote 3. Then remaining work who has done its sum. And A joined the work. After 3 days A has joined. Yes or no? In how many days will the total work be finished? Okay. If we assume that remaining work is X. Yes or no? B has done only for 3 days. Whole left remaining work is how many days? We don't know. So I assumed as X. Now they are asking us in how many days will the total work be finished. So now find out the value of this X. We have formed the equation. Now if you simplify this, what will you get the value of X means friends? X you will get the 8 days. X is what? A. But what they are asking in how many days will the total work be finished? 8 is not our answer because 8 is only A's work. Total work means A plus B also done 3 days. Should do A plus B. That is X is what I told 8. 8 we will get lastly. Plus B is 3 days. So 8 plus 3 is 11 days we will get. That is our answer. That is C option. Okay. Now moving to the 7th question. Similar to like this only. 6th question like only 7th question will be there. You try to form the equation. If you form the equation, answer will be easy for you. Now see the 7th question friends. I am reading the question. A can complete a work in 20 days and B can complete the same work in 25 days. If they start the work together but after 5 days A left the work. In how many days the total work would be finished? See, I am giving you equation. How to form the equation? You solve it. Okay. First A is in 20 days. So I am writing here A divided by 20 plus next is 25. That is equal to 1. First step what they have given. If they start the work together but after 5 days A left the work. In how many days the total work would be finished? Means what? First initially both have started at a time. But first one how many days she has done and left out? After 5 days A left the work. Means this is A, no, A has done only 5 days of work and left out. Afterwards she is not there. Then who has done the work from first onwards? B has done. How many days we don't know. Now keep it as the X. Now simplify this equation, you will get the answer. Yes or no? A has done 5 days and went. So I wrote near A 5 days. But from first onwards this B is there, no. Both have started at a time. Now what they are asking in how many days the total work is finished. Now if you find out X, that is only the answer. Simplify this one. After doing simplification, you will get the answer as 18 3 by 4 days friends. Where it is there this option 18 3 by 4? Here. Understood now this question? Okay. Now moving to the next question. Eighth question. See here. What is there? I'm reading the question. See once. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Here question mistake I think. So C is not there. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do it in 15 days. A and C can do it in 20 days. In how many days will A, B and C finish it working all together? See, this type of sum scheme means what you should do means first write the data given A plus B they have given. How many days? 12 days. Next B plus C. B plus C they have given us 15 days. Next A plus C they has given us 20 days. Okay. Now they are asking us what together A plus B plus C. 3 of them has done means what is the number of days. So this type of problems came means first to do the LCM of the given 3 numbers 12, 15 and 60 LCM. Sorry 20 LCM is what friends? 60 you will get the LCM. Okay. Now add this equation. If you think as this as first equation, second equation, third equation, if you add what will happen? A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C means in all times 2 times A is coming, 2 times B is coming, 2 times C is coming. So here can I write, if I add this equation 2 into A plus B plus C, yes or no? That is equal to, instead of writing this 12, 15, 20, what should write here means, we got 12, 15, 20 LCM as 60. 12 into what number if you, I'll write with other pen, wait. Into what number if I multiply, I'll get 60, 12, 5 is a 60 into. Here 15 into 4 is a 60, 23 is a 60. Yes or no? These multiples you should add here now. 2 of A plus B plus C equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3. Now what you'll get? A plus B plus C means A plus B plus C equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 is what? 12. If I send 2 to other side, 12 by 2, that is 6 days. We got A plus B plus C equal to how much? 6 days. But they are asking what? In how many days A, B and C finish it working together. Here total work is what when we done the LCM? 60. Here A plus B plus C is what? 6. If we want to do total work, okay, total work equal to, from total LCM is what? 60 divided by together is what? A plus B plus C is what? 6. 60 by 6 equal to 10 days is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Next, moving to the next question, ninth question. I will erase this. What is the question? A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? Efficiency has come. If efficiency has come, what did I told for you? All I have given 5 rules in that. If you watch that video, you will understand clearly. Here A is given and B is given. They are telling A is 30% more efficient than B. Means ninth question I am saying. See here. A will be 100%. B is 30% more efficient they told. So B will be 130%. Next what they are giving friends? How much time will they work together to complete a job when A alone could have done in 23 days? A they have given us okay. A they have given us how many days? 23 days. But we don't know B. So as we don't know B, can I assume this B as X? Yes. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer. That is what X value you will get. X is what? Okay, understood. A is what they have given 30% more efficient than B. So I wrote A as 100%, B as 130%. A they gave 23 days, B we don't know, so I wrote as X. If you do cross multiplication, you will get the value of X as what means 299 by 10. You will get the value of X, what I told, 299 by 10. What is this X? B. But are they asking us about B? No, they are asking us about what? A plus B. Both we want. A plus B. That means what? 1 by 23 is A plus B value what we got just now, 299 by 10. Yes or no? That one. 1 by, if I do this 299, 10 down 0, if I send up, what it will become? 29.9. So 1 by 23 plus 1 by 29.9, that is A plus B. If you do, what you will get? 1 by 13 days. 1 by 13 means this is 1 day's work we have done. Total days will be how many days? 13 days will be answer. Understood? In this process, if you do cross multiplication, you will get the value of X. X is nothing but B. But they are not asking us about B. They are asking us what? Together. That means A plus B. Now what value you got as B, that one, and A, that is 23 days. If you add both, you will get the answer. Okay. Now moving to the next problem. 10th one. Okay, here what is the question? A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. B and C can do it in 120 days. A and C can do it in 90 days. In what time can A alone do it? Same question has repeated here. Same 8th question only, no? In 8th question also same like this model only. But here in 8th question they asked working all together. Here they are asking us A alone. How I told in 8th question, here it will be somewhat different in 10th question. Simply by doing the solving the equations, you'll get this answer like second problem easily. Okay, I will write here. You see here, first what is the data they have given? A plus B can do in 72 days. So A plus B is how many days? 72 days. Next, B plus C in how many days, friends? 120 days. Next, A plus C in how many days? 90 days. Then A alone they are asking, right? Such type of questions they have given means what you will do? First you find out the work together. 3 members means add this all. If I assume this as first, second and third equation, 2 into A plus B plus C you will get. That is equal to LCM of 72, 120 and 90 you should do. That you will get what? 360. Okay. Now multiples, do the same. Similarly I have told in 8th question, no? Like that only. If you do multiple, 72 into 5 will be 360. 120 into 3 will be 360. 90 into 4 will be 360. Then you will get what? A plus B plus C equal to that multiples 5 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 360 into 2 into A plus B plus C. No, left side if I send 2 this side, in denominator we will get into 2. Finally what you will get the value of A plus B plus C means, friends, okay, by doing LCM and finding adding these 3 equations 1, 2 and 3, A plus B plus C you will get as 1 by 60 days. But they are asking, are they asking together A plus B plus C? No, they are asking A alone. How to find out the A alone? See, in these questions where A is not there, you should see. Here A plus B is there, so this is not. They are asking A alone. In last equation A plus C is there. This is also not our answer. In second equation if we see what is there, B plus C is there, but A is not there. So this is our answer. From total 1 by 60 days is there, they are asking A alone. So how to find the A alone? A alone equal to total 3 members, that is 1 by 60 days minus, here what I told, this one B plus C, that is 1 minus 1 by 120 days. If you simplify this 1 by 60 minus 1 by 120, you will get the answer as what? 1 by 120 days. That is 1 day's work. 1 day work means what? Reverse. 120 days. This is our answer. Okay. Next problems I'll say in the next class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.